Hello students, in last lecture of organometallic chemistry we have already learned the effective atomic number. Okay, how to calculate it. Now today we will learn the new topic of organometallic chemistry, which is heptacity. Okay, heptacity means, I will write down the definition of heptacity, which is total number of donor atoms of a ligand attached to the metal. Okay, so how many ligands are there is different part, but total number of donor atoms present on that ligand is called as heptacity. Okay, better way, we will solve some examples, then we will understand in better way. See, in organometallic, very famous compound which is ferrocene. This ferrocene having two ligands, and see the each ligand is attached, each ligand having 5 carbon atoms and is directly attached to the metals. So the heptacity of this ligand, particular ligand, is N5, because this heptacity is shown in eta. Okay, this long neck N like this. Okay, so the heptacity of this ligand is N5, the same way here. Okay, N5, so eta 5 we can say. Okay, so this is the heptacity of this ligand. We will say the another example. We will see metal having this kind of ring. Again the same thing, this metal is attached with all carbons present in this ligand. And how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 carbons are there. It means the heptacity of this ligand is N8, or 8 we can say. Heptacity is 8. We will see the another example. Okay, this example I have got from the CSIR NET examination, which is very difficult examination for the chemistry purpose. Okay, or chemical sciences. So these three examples here, you can see such ligand is attached to the metal in 2 points. Okay, and this one point is with this pi bond. Okay, directly linked to the pi bond. It means 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon and 4 carbon. So heptacity of this ligand is 4. Okay, so same way we will solve some other examples. This is also very interesting examples I have got from this examination. Here is the triple bond and 2 metals on that triple bond, and one side CMe, another side CMe. Here you can see that ligand is only one, but 2 metals are there. So whether we have to consider both metal ligand or only ligand. So our thing is, to calculate the heptacity, we have to only think the total number of donor atoms of a ligand. Okay, so to this ligand, total number of donor atoms is only this carbon and this carbon. Okay, so hepticity of this ligand is 2 only. Okay, we'll see the another example. Metal is directly attached to this carbon, then this carbon is tertiary carbon or 3 alkyl groups here attached. So now how many groups are attached here, hepticity is not depend on that. Hepticity is only the concern with metal carbon bond, and the metal carbon bond he gives only one hepticity. Okay, so hepticity of this ligand is 1. We'll see the another example. Metal attached with the carbon having double bond and 2 alkyl groups. So here also the same thing, this carbon is or donor atom is only one carbon. Okay, so hepticity again for this ligand is 1. Okay, so we can write on this way. We'll solve some another example. This is very interesting example again. Here is the metal having this cyclopropyl ring like this, then again 3 carbon ring having double bond, again 3 carbon ring having 3 carbon ring is there, but this attached to only this metal, and here double bond is there. Okay, so this bond is not there. Okay, then here there is a ligand with 6 carbon atom, and here metal carbon double bond having methylene group CH2. Okay, so how to calculate hepticity of such complex type of organometallic compound? So here one by one we will see for this side. Okay, so for this ligand is directly attached to the metal, and metal is directly attached to these 3 carbon atoms. Okay, so hepticity of this particular ligand is N3. Okay, eta 3. What about here? Here is directly attached to the pi bond. Okay, and pi bond is made up with 2 carbon atoms. So the hepticity of this particular ligand is 2. Here the metal is directly attached to the only carbon. Okay, so the hepticity is only 1. Here again the same, the metal is attached to the directly to the only one carbon, means hepticity is only 1. Here metal is attached to the all 6 carbon atoms, means hepticity of this ligand is 6. Hope this example is very beautiful example. Okay, to learn or explore more about the hepticity. Now this is easy example, oxygen double bond carbon having 2 metal atoms. This is easy, but we have to think more. So this metal is directly attached to only one carbon, this metal is directly attached to the only one carbon, means the hepticity is only 1. Understand? Hope. Yes. Then another example, metal directly attached to silicon and CH2, silicon CH2. So again this metal is not directly attached to the carbon, then whether this is organometallic compound or not. So yes, this is organometallic compound because silicon and carbon both are them from same family. Okay, so here also metal is directly attached to the carbon family groups, which is silicon, only one group. So hepticity of such organometallic is 1 only. Okay, the same way we will solve another some example. Hope you understand. Yes, metal, I will write down total compound. Okay, this ligand, then this is another one, then this is a double bond or ethylene molecule, then here okay, and then here this is 5 membered ring. Okay, so how many 5 ligands are there? Okay, so one by one we will solve. What do you think here? Here this double bond CH3 allyl type of group is directly attached to the metal, but we have to think the metal is attached directly to the only one carbon, means the eta value or hepticity of this ligand is 1. Here metal is directly attached to the only one carbon, so the eta value is hepticity is 1. Here metal is directly attached to the double bond, okay, and double bond is at in between two carbon atoms. Okay, so in short the metal is directly attached to the these two carbons, means the hepticity is 2 for this ligand. What about here? Here is the same thing like allyl group, double bond is this side or this side, they have mentioned directly on dot dot dot, it means somewhere else, means metal is directly attached to the 1, 2 and 3 carbons. So hepticity is 3. Here metal is directly attached to the 5 carbons, means hepticity is for this ligand how much? And eta 5. Okay, so this is again the very interesting example. We'll see the next example. This is benzene ring coupled with the 5 membered ring having double bond which is directly attached to the metal. So now we have to calculate the hepticity of this compound. See here, so the metal is directly attached to this double bond. Okay, means metal is attached to only these 2 carbon atoms, so hepticity is 2 in number. Okay, another example, metal having triple bond with 1 carbon having hydrogen. So what do you think, whether this is double bond, single bond, triple bond, doesn't matter, only we have to think metal is directly attached to the only carbon. Okay, so hepticity is only 1. Understand? Some more examples, last 3 examples or 4 examples we will solve. These 2 examples are very similar, like this. What do you think? This allyl group is directly attached to the metal, but metal is directly attached to the only carbon. Okay, So heptacity is only 1 here. Second example, same group having double bond and metal is attached to this bond as well. Okay, it means that this metal is directly attached to this carbon as well as this metal is directly attached to these two carbons. So total heptacity of this molecule or this compound is 3 in number. Okay, then the simple compound, yes, having metal. So heptacity 1, metal having carbonyl group and R. What do you think now? Just we have to think what having attached to this carbon, we don't have to think. We have to think only this part. Metal is attached to the only carbon atom. So heptacity is only 1. And last interesting example, which is iridium metal is attached to the 2 oxygen metal having 1 single bond. So what do you think? Yes, so iridium is attached to 2 directly oxygen atom. Again the question is whether this is organometallic compound or not. I don't know, but they have asked in the examination and we have to write down the heptacity is 2. Okay, so or same compound they can write on this way also, IR or iridium directly attached to the double bond having oxygen and oxygen atom. So both are the same compound having the heptacities 2 in number. Guys, we have solved almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 examples. Okay, so hope you understand the term heptacity, which is very important in the point of organometallic compounds. Okay, we will see the another concept or another point in next video. Thank you. Bye.